Hookei Group, a specialist in point-of-sales retail industry, is an international group which integrates production design and sales. In the Asia-Pacific region, Hookei has 3 sales companies in Shanghai, Hong Kong, and Australia, and 1 factory in Hefei, China. Hookei Hong Kong was founded in 1995 with a 450 square meter warehouse. It employs 12 people in sales and administration. It focuses on retail and export wholesale business and has rich experiences in export sales. It has worked with popular retail groups including Woolworths, Hallmark, Japan Home Center, City Super, Aeon, as well as dairy farm brands Mannings and Welcome. Hookei Shanghai was established in 2003 and its premises cover an area of 750 square meters with nearly 20 employees. It specializes in one-stop service for product design, warehousing, logistics, and on-site installation for multinational retail stores. It has worked with large retail clients such as Luxottica Group, Metro China, Decathlon Global, and other top retail giants. Hookei set up its Australian branch in 2016 with a 400 square meter warehouse in Sydney. It specializes in selling point-of-sales displays and provides rapid delivery service. It already has a few projects underway with a number of prominent Australian customers. We have R&D teams at both Hookei Shanghai and Hookei Hong Kong offices. We provide one-stop service covering design, drawing 3D Max and 3D printing, etc. We have worked closely with well-known retail brands in a variety of development projects and, as a result, have gained valuable knowledge and experience in technologies. Hookei not only has a professional R&D and customer service team, it also has strong production and quality control capabilities. Hookei Hefei factory, 3 hours away from Shanghai by train, is located in the Industrial Development Park of Feidong and covers an area of 7,000 square meters. It currently employs 130 people. The construction of another factory is currently underway. This new plant, located in the National High-Tech Development Zone in Hefei, will have a plant area of 25,000 square meters. This will make Hookei unarguably the largest manufacturer in the POS industry in China. The first phase of construction will be completed by early 2018. Here is a brief introduction of our production facilities. First, injection workshop. Our injection workshop has a total of 8 injection molding machines ranging from 180 to 470 tons. We have over 600 sets of injection molds and use high-efficient molds and robotic arms to improve production efficiency and reduce production costs. Upon completion of the new plant, we will have a total of 10 injection molding machines. Second, extrusion workshop. We have a total of 8 extrusion lines. Our factory develops automatic die cutting and tape sticking machines to improve efficiency. The new factory will be fitted with more high-quality and efficient machines to fulfill customer requirements. Third, heat bending and carving workshop. We have a number of high-precision laser engraving machines, board opening machines, polishing machines, and other professional equipment at our workshop. We are able to process acrylic, PVC, PETG, PET, PVC foam board, aluminum plate, and other sheet material. Fourth, screen printing workshop. The workshop is fitted with a total of 5 semi-automatic screen printing presses, 2 die-cutting machines, 1 dryer, and other specialized equipment. In addition, our factory has a lot of experience in heat transfer, heat seal, and offset printing. Fifth, mold processing center. We have equipment for wire cutting, EDM, grinding, and milling, just to name a few. We are well equipped to make small-size production molds and arrange daily molds maintenance. Sixth, metal assembly workshop. We can provide minor assembly work for shop-fitting displays of metal and plastic. In the factory, we can provide cutting, drilling, assembly, packaging, and other assembly line operations. Seventh, quality check center. Our testing personnel strictly adheres to our leading-edge QC processes for testing raw material, finished products, and packaging quality to ensure that product quality fully meets customer requirements. Hookei has an extensive network and a full range of distribution services that enable it to offer streamlined delivery around the Southeast Asian region. Additionally, our professional logistics management team closely monitors the logistics process with our specific procedures. We now have nearly 1,500 square meters of warehouse space for the storage of finished products. The state-of-the-art ERP system provides systematic inventory control to ensure that shipments can be made within 24 hours upon receipt of orders. Here are some of our customer portfolios for the past 20 years. Please take a look. If you are a distributor in an overseas market and want to find a reliable manufacturer in China, please contact us, as we have the most cost-effective products and an extensive product line. If you are a retail brand looking to open stores in China and need a local Chinese POS supplier, please contact us, as we have the most professional sales and design team at your service. We are confident we can pass any quality and social responsibility audit.